Hey you guys, so video is definitely not overdue, and a lot of you guys asked about things like your stop losses and your take profits, setting limit orders, and stop prices. And you asked about it across various platforms, and so I'm going to take you guys to WeBull. Now I was going to kind of go through various platforms like SoFi, Robinhood, and a few others, and kind of put it in one video, but everybody's using something different. So I'm going to start with WeBull, mainly because WeBull is direct, straightforward, especially if you're using the desktop, and that's what we're going to be using, the desktop version. Now, unfortunately, Robinhood does not quite have a stop loss take profit. You basically just setting limit orders for, if it stops out at this price, sell it, and if it hits this target, then sell it for the profit, like that. But the thing I do like about WeBull desktop is that it's straightforward. You don't gotta do too much calculating, and you literally just come on here and you will go in, you select stop loss order, you select take profit order, and you set it, and it shows you the exact amount alongside the price that you're putting, so you're not having to guess. So I'm going to take you guys over here to WeBull on the desktop trading app or the web trading and show you guys exactly what that will look like. So on the WeBull desktop, we are on spot. Now, the market is closed and I just selected one for us to be able to look at. The core thing is just looking at how to set that take profit and as that stop loss for the trade. Okay, so the first thing is, of course, when you are on the desktop or any platform and you see buy or sell, and this is a call, and so if I'm going to buy it, that means that I am going to be the one paying $113 for this. Now you notice that this limit price is sitting at $1.13, which is time 100 shares, which that's what it's going to cost us. Now we do sell, we will receive premium receive. You notice this here? This is like you're selling a covered call. Basically, you will need to have 100 shares of SPY to be able to receive $113. So that's why you want to make sure you're on the right one. So we're going to go to buy so that we are the one entering a call option to be able to profit on this thing moving up if we don't have 100 shares. Okay. Now, let's look at the first thing. Limit order. Okay. Contract. How many contracts do you have? We're going to keep it at one for now and then kind of tweak it as we look at the stop price. Well, the stop loss and the take profit. So one contract limit price is going to cost us about $1.13 on that contract, 113. Now you ask yourself, how much am I willing to lose of the $113 that I'm putting into this trade? Or if you want to set a stop loss. So you will click here and it will automatically come up for you to set your stop limit, your stop order. So think about it. If we are looking for this thing to go up, that means the price going down, the trade is going against us. So therefore, this here will be set at a lower price than what you paid. So it's at 113. So you say, I don't want to lose more than $20. So we're going to take this thing, and I like how it has the estimate profit and loss. So we don't got to do all that calculating. It's just automatically showing us. And we're just going until we get to our price. Meaning that on this option value hits 93 cents, stop my order. I want to cut my losses. I've lost $20. Stop it. And it automatically do it. Now it go in your way. You come over here. You want to go ahead and set your take profit because you could be doing anything and you don't want to miss your mark on getting out of your trade and taking your profit. So you can automatically set it. So you say, I want to kind of go 100% of this trade, 50% of this trade, or you set a price target in mind, $50. You may set $100 of this thing, and you just go until it gets to the point where you're comfortable with your profit. Okay, so I'm just going to take this up to $50, which would be $1.63. Meaning that once it gets to there, and you made your $50 profit, it automatically execute that order, and it close it out, take your profit, and you're good. Okay, and you can do that on the mobile app too, but it may look a little bit different, but it shouldn't look too different. They did upgrade the user interface a little bit, kind of tweaked it, but not too much. But if you're using the desktop, this right here is right there for you to go ahead and set. That estimated profit and loss will tell you automatically what your estimate profits will be. And of course, you will probably already know it off the top of your head. So that's just one way to do it. Okay. And you set it where you want. You can come in, of course, and you can modify your orders with WeBull after you've done it. So this is just how you set your stop loss. And unfortunately, not all platforms have it to where you can just come select stop loss and take profit. You just really have to do like limit orders where once the option get to this value, you sell it off, or if it gets here, sell it off. Or just likely the same. But for some people, they want to see exactly stop loss and take profit, or they get a bit confused where you see stuff like stop limit, stop orders, limit prices, stop price. It can get confusing, but likely everything is pretty much the same. Okay, but this is for WeBull, and this is just how you would do it on this desktop version. When you see the quote, you just scroll down and you look for this little setup, and you don't have to set it. If you don't want, you can turn it off and it's nothing there, and you do everything manually. But if you are new to it and you like to really practice your risk management and go ahead and set this thing on, you're able to do it here, or you're able to do it once you open your trade on the WeBull app, or you can do it before. You just kind of have to go in and set it up properly. But when you come to the desktop, you will be able to see all of this, and that's that. Setting your stop loss and setting your take profit order on the WeBull desktop will be here, clear as day. And you automatically know how much you want to lose. You don't want to lose more than 20, 30, 50% of your trade. You automatically know how you need to set it. And you already have your profit goal in mind. You just set it here and let everything pretty much be automated for you so that you don't have to keep coming back to see if your levels are hit. That was it. And I really hope that helped. And I will do the other videos, the other platforms in separate videos so that each one of these stop loss or take profit videos are tailored for each platform, because all platforms, it may look a little bit different, and some of them, they have it directly there for you where it says stop loss plain and it says take profit right there, so you can just put that amount in. So I hope this helped, and with that, I will see you guys in the next one.